Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello on Facebook. I am Weaponry Fitness. We're about to talk about some crypto. Ask me some questions. Hold on, let me turn my camera on. Hey, it's me. So we're going to talk about some crypto today. Now, if anybody comes on the stream, just ask me any questions. I've been in the crypto space for a good 4 years, so I'm still learning just like everybody else. And this market is slowly but surely moving up. And right now, I'm taking a look at the charts. I'm looking at Ethereum right now. We're at 3K. I mean, we're at 4K basically. So it's at 3,900. I'm gonna show this video real quick about Crypto Wendy talking about Ethereum and XRP. Let's see here. Boom. Okay. Really? All right.
Gotta add a little bit of clickbait.
Let me know if you guys can hear the video or not. Let me know if my mic is if my audio is good.
Here. Plus, Ethereum finally kissed $4,000 and our Dino coins are getting ready to move.
Yes, we hit 4K a couple days ago. I was excited.
Plus, there's this one thing that happened, and I think that the capital from this is going to flow into Dino coins. So we're going to get into it. I'm Wendy O. This is the O Show, everything crypto every single day. If you want more, which I know you guys want more because I bring the best non-biased crypto news, make sure you subscribe with all alerts set, smash the like, and drop me a comment. In addition to that, we've got some good news when it comes to, well, we talked about Ethereum. We have an update on the crypto czar. It's crypto and AI. I need to get your guys' thoughts about that. But first, we got to give a shout out to the members. Good morning to Mr. R. Good morning to Drig. Good morning to all of you awesome, awesome, awesome people. Let's go ahead and get started. Yes, I'm late.
I like this channel because she definitely reports on a lot of things surrounding crypto news and like what's going on with the top investors, what's going on with the market. So she doesn't talk too much chart. So I like that because I go to other people for fundamental and technical analysis. I come to her for the news surrounding crypto, the Twitter space. I need to get a Twitter account. I really don't like Twitter, but I'm gonna have to get it if I want to follow the big news in crypto.
I know. It's been hectic. What is this going on? Hold on a second. Anyways, let's get into it. All right. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and do a market update. And then we're going to talk about the crazy news that happened with the XRP and the Solana ETFs and why it was so important to get a pro-crypto president. Because if we didn't get a pro-crypto president in, we would be completely done. Absolutely done when it comes to crypto in the United States of America. If you don't believe me, go do your own due diligence. Seriously. Anyways, let's first look at Bitcoin.
She's speaking facts.
And as we see here, yesterday was a really hectic day with Bitcoin. Really, really hectic day. I had to post a short for you guys because it was just absolute.
This is a few days old. I'm showing this. You gotta be really on point when you're doing crypto news. Basically, you gotta like once something hits, you gotta get online quick because old news sometimes doesn't. Everybody's looking for the most updated news on crypto, but this is still relevant.
Absolutely insane. Let's go to the naked chart over here. Oh, this one's not naked. This one is naked. All right. Yesterday, okay. This was yesterday's candle. This was the craziest Darth Maul candle. It's like, this is actually pretty common though. So anyways, we opened at 98.9. We closed at 96 or $97,000. We got a swing look high to 104,000.
If you're just clicking on the video, I know what the title says. I'm going to go into that in depth, but I'm just giving you an idea of pretty much what I do almost every day. If you want to get into crypto markets, you really have to listen to the news every day. You want to listen to what's happening in the economy. The biggest investors, MicroStrategy, BlackRock, because they're the top holders of Bitcoin. So you want to keep yourself updated with the markets.
$1,000, but we got a swing wick low to about $92,000. This candle right here, this was a 13%, approximately 13% candle in one day. Why do we call these Darth Maul candles? Well, because they knock out both shorts and longs. Some people say that
Again, this is Crypto Wendy. She is she's a great crypto expert. I mean, I like to listen to her analysis and what she does when she talks about in the market. So she definitely knows what she's talking about. She has different viewpoints, but like all in all, like I think she has good talking points.
it's market makers that doing it. Some people say it's whales that doing it. Some people say all different things. So it really, really doesn't matter. At the end of the day, if you held and you weren't using leverage, you were fine. However, if you want to use leverage, we've got Femex down below. And we've got Blowfin. You can use leverage and you can, I get many.
I've been holding Ethereum since 2200. So let me show you guys really quick if I can share my screen. I'll share the other one. So Ethereum is currently at 4K. So if I held at 2200, that means once it hits 42K, I have 2x that. So now I'll get into that later. I'm going to go back to the video. I'm going to explain what I mean by 2x and all that. So let's get out of here.
But anyways, both exchanges are giving like $8,000 bonus, not your keys, not your coins, and read the terms of service. Read the terms of service, okay? Now, with that being said, Bitcoin right now was trading at about $102,000, well, $101,000. On the daily, it looks like we're going to continue to pop up to about 104,000. I'm not going to do too much technical analysis on this, primarily because when you're in price discovery like this, technical analysis does work, but there's still a lot of volatility that happens. So we just go ahead and do a quick little pull up.
I think Ethereum has least volatility than Bitcoin, because Bitcoin right now they're both hanging around their all-time high. Well, Bitcoin is, but like Ethereum is still nearly 1,000 away from its all-time high. But like they're both pretty. There's a lot of sideways action, especially in Ethereum right now. So once Ethereum gets moving, it's gonna shoot up, and then obviously there's gonna be some sell signals because Ethereum does. That's just how the market is, man. Once people see all-time highs, they want to sell. So
Pull up the fibs over here. We can see, well, actually, we don't even need to use this chart. We can use this one over here. This is what I'm looking at. These are the areas that I'm looking for us to hit. Next target is going to be 102 and then 103. And then from there, probably 106. That's what I would look for. Also, too, Raider is in the chat. There's some AI coins that we covered last Sunday, and I think they 5 or 6 times or something. I don't even know. We'll cover that on Sunday. So make sure you guys watch the live stream Sunday. We've been giving really, really great alpha. Well, not me, Raider, because he is in the trenches. All right, Ethereum, $4,000. Next target is a 4,100. And then from there, we've got all the other little areas over here. Once we break $4,100, that was the all-time high previous cycle, we are again in price discovery. Price discovery gets absolutely crazy. Solana's kind of chilling. Solana's falling a little bit behind. Mostly Ethereum leads. Solana leads, but not right now. We also have some bearish news for Solana. Sui. It was announced yesterday that Sui was added to, or will be added to, Phantom Wallet support. So it's going to be easy for cross-chain transactions using Phantom Wallet. This thing broke another all-time high at $4.48. Absolutely amazing. Congratulations to all the Sui holders. Now XRP.
Go Sui.
Even though we had a little bit of bad news earlier, which we're going to get into with the XRP ETF, we're still moved up to about, we hit a high of $2.41, and now we're trading at $2.35. We were able to reclaim right now $2.30.
I was in XRP. I bought it pretty low. Bought it at like $1, and then it shot up to like 137. I sold at 137 because I wanted to jump into another crypto. So I did miss out a little bit, but technically I didn't because I didn't have much XRP. I would have 2x, but it wouldn't have been a big 2x because I only put about 2K in it. So it would have I would have profited 2K, but I put it in another crypto asset that I had more capital in. So you got to play the game. You can't, like, if you make moves like that, do not worry about missing out, because as long as you move it to a crypto asset that you feel like it's going to give you higher gains, then do it. So I moved because I noticed something about another crypto asset that I was holding. I was like, I'm probably gonna get more gains from this than XRP, because I didn't have much in XRP. I didn't buy it low enough either. So yeah.
And I said I am bullish just as long as we stay above $1.96, and we're doing exactly that. That is good. That is positive, especially with the weekend coming. Now, really quickly, let's go ahead and take a look at crypto bubbles. Crypto bubbles over here. Taking a look at the day, DYDX is up 22%. BGB, which is BitGets token, 23%.
These are all the tokens here. So there's a lot of crypto. I don't even know how much. I don't remember the last time I checked, but there is thousands and thousands of cryptocurrency. So you want to keep yourself invested in the top 100. You are at high risk if you go outside of that margin. So just beware, and I'll show you what to look for. I'll show you what to look for when we go to the charts.
So it looks like exchange tokens. XDC is 34%. Congratulations. Weekly. Let's see on the weekly. Jasmy, which is a TikTok fave.
Again, this is a very basic crypto stream. So I'm gonna be going at the most basic level. Hopefully I can get some chats in. Ask me any questions, because right now I'm just reacting to a video that I watched of Crypto Wendy. So she's very good. So
favorite, 92%. Curve Dino token, 132%. Gala, 50%. Everything is doing really well. This is gorgeous. Now,
everything is going to do good in the bull market. Almost everything. So you just got to watch out for the rug. So you don't know when you're going to get rugged. That's why you pay attention to the history of the coins you are investing in. So
let's get into the drama. Scoop. This is from Miss Ellie. She is from Fox Business, and she is absolutely amazing. She posts great stuff. Great stuff. Also, shout out to Mr. Kirby. Happy Friday. Shout out to Chippa. Afternoon. Shout out to all the other amazing people here. If you guys want special shout outs, you got to become a channel member. But I will do my best to take a look at everything. Shout out to KS and Eric. Eric needs to become a channel member, but he is not because he's a BGR. Anyways, the XRP drama. Scoop. I've confirmed that the SEC has notified at least 2 of the 5 prospective issuers that they will reject their 19B4 filings for the Solana spot ETFs. The consensus here, I'm told, is that the SEC won't entertain any new crypto ETFs under this current administration. So if this post is about Solana, why am I bringing XRP into it? I'm bringing XRP into it because this post here specifically said from her sources, the consensus here, I'm told, is that the SEC won't entertain any new crypto ETFs under the current administration. XRP is a crypto. Therefore, we're not getting the XRP ETF. We're not getting the Solana ETF. The only ETFs that were approved because they were forced to be approved were essentially the Bitcoin and Ethereum ones, primarily because of BlackRock. And if it wasn't for BlackRock, even though it was Grayscale that filed the lawsuits, they wouldn't have gotten approved. Mark my words.
I think in the future we're gonna see more ETFs approved. So Bitcoin was definitely the experimental ETF, so that helped the market, as well as Ethereum. So once we see how the market grows after this, I think we'll see a lot more cryptocurrencies that have stuck. I mean, the reason why Ethereum and Bitcoin have gotten approved is because they're the 1 and 2 punch of the cryptocurrency. They've been around the longest, and they're not going anywhere. I mean, unless something astronomical happens, like I mean, obviously you just have to keep an eye on it.
Therefore, I have talked to you guys many times, and I had said we're most likely going to get these ETFs approved, Solana, XRP, whatever ETFs approved in 2025. Now, quarter one of 2025 might be a little bit volatile. We're going to cover Trump's new pick for AI crypto czar, and also some crazy actions that Gary Gensler did. And remember, yesterday on the show we had spoke about Gary Gensler is resigning January 25th, 2025. Shout out to the chicken bone broth game with turmeric, lemon, ginger tea. Gary Gensler's leaving. Great, fantastic. Okay. Trump was going to fire him anyways. But before he left, he gave promotions to 3 of the top litigators, attorneys at the SEC to continue their fight against crypto.
Okay, I'm gonna stop it right there. So, but yeah, basically, you see, I'm gonna change my. There we go. So basically, I'm gonna go to the chart here and show you the Bitcoin chart, because that is the one investment that you wanna really put your money in first if you're a new investor. So I am on CoinGecko. You can go to CoinGecko.com or CoinMarketCap.com. Those are the 2 that I use. There's others, but I use these. So what I'm doing right here, this is the front page. This is the market cap of all cryptocurrencies. It's a big market cap. Bitcoin. So what you see right here is the top coins. You can so this is so basically I hit this arrow right here. Let's see if I can get back to. It's basically going by percentages. So it looks like XRP is down 1% in the last hour. Let me get back. I can't get back to the there we go. Okay, I'm going to click on Bitcoin. It's currently sitting at 100K. So as you can see, we are moving to the upside in just the last hour. You want to switch to the candle. So if you're, oh man, if you're looking at these candles, I don't have trading view. So this is going to be a little harder to explain. And I might have to switch to another. I'm going to have to go to CoinMarketCap. Bear with me. Hold on. Yo.
What's good, man?
Yeah, I'm going over the chart. I gotta switch this chart. It's really, damn, man. I've been watching these charts all day, man. I've been trying to make a trade on Gala. Man, I'm waiting for it to dip to 59 cents, man. I mean, not 59 cents, but 0.59.
Man, these markets have been just up and down all day.
Okay, hold on 1 second. Crypto. What website do you go to check your charts and stuff? Do you just go to your exchange, or do you use any charts?
I actually just downloaded the chart. I gotta see which one it is because the charts on the apps are not that good.
Yeah, they're
Trading
not.
View, that's the one I'm using.
Oh, okay. So let me show you some. Since you're here, I'm going to show you some. I don't know if you know about this. Dang it. Come on, man. My thing was just buffering. Okay. You don't want to know what I you don't know what I just did. That was stupid. Okay. So I'm gonna share my screen real quick. All right, can you see the screen all right?
Yeah. Damn, we're in extreme greed right now.
All right, so what we're gonna go with Bitcoin real quick. So for those that are new to crypto, if you're not in crypto, you're not late, but you missed the boat. You gotta really get a speedboat and catch up. So like I look at it this way: you got to budget stuff. You don't want to spend too much money on this because once we hit the bear market, this could be one of your lows. I mean, I'm not going to say it's your higher low, but it could be your low. So if you buy in right now, it doesn't. If you want to hold long term, like say if you're like 25, 35 years old, you can hold long term for the next 10 years and you can make some money. Just put like you have to get with someone you trust and figure out what their strategy is because my strategy has changed over time since I've been making a little more money. So if I was new to crypto, I made 50K a year and I had some extra money. I wasn't in debt and everything. What I would do right now, since we're up 41% for the day, wait for the next big dip. You don't have to wait because I mean it could skyrocket up. So that's the thing. You want a DCA and DCA is dollar cost average. So say we're not up like 10% for the day. So if it's up like under 0.2%, under 2%, you can DCA in. So like whatever kind of money you have, you could put in $50. Just if you're really new, just look at how the percentages change. Um, you want to get used to your money going down and up. Like that's the volatility of it. Um, so oh my screen's kind of cut off, but you can see the whole screen. So I'm trying to go down here. There's so many ads. These ads are killing me. Where the hell is it? I might have to window this here. Oh, how are you echoing again, or did you fix that issue?
Yes, I definitely fixed it.
So I don't know what it's like to be the host. I mean, to be the guest. So what are you actually looking at right now? Are you looking at are you are you on YouTube?
Yep. I'm looking at the screen or at your screen.
Do you have the video muted or like
Mm-mm.
no? Okay. Yeah, I was wondering, man. I gotta have you host one of these days, man. I'm trying to look for this. I can't find it, man. I just had it a minute ago. If you're watching a replay, bear with me. I'm still kind of getting used to this. So, oh, here it is. Damn, I skipped. Okay, so here's the converter. Did you know that there was a converter on all the crypto coins?
Nope.
So it's see how to just update it. It's always updating. So one Bitcoin and one USDC. So this is how you do your conversion. So like if you had two Bitcoin, that comes out to 200,000. If you had 3 or 23, that's in the million. So
Yeah.
BlackRock has do you know how much Bitcoin BlackRock has?
Too many.
I'll show you because I looked it up. So
Damn.
no, that's just an estimate. Hold on. I don't have there's more zeros. He has
Oh my
500
God.
million. He has 500 million, or they have 500 million. MicroStrategies
Bitcoin?
has more than that. Yeah.
But
So
I thought there was
that's like triple digit million or triple digit billion dollars. So I don't know the exact number because they're always buying up stuff. So I can't give you the exact number, but I know it's almost $1 trillion. It's almost halfway there. So they got a lot of investing into this. So this is how you know that Bitcoin's gonna be around forever, because they're not gonna rug everybody, man. That's gonna look bad on them.
Isn't there only supposed to be 21 million Bitcoin ever mined or something
Uh,
like that?
I don't know that much in depth, but I know that the market cap, as long as the market cap is up the way it is, where's our market cap at for Bitcoin? Dude, we should be around 2 trillion. I'm used to, this is okay, so we're at 1.9. It just went down. We're at 1.98 trillion. But that's how it is, man. The market cap's going to change, just like the price action.
I would say Bitcoin is probably the safest crypto you can invest in. Would you say that?
Yeah, it's the safest. The later you get in, the less gains you're going to get, and less, because like, say that you're a millionaire, right? And you bought, you put in 500K of Bitcoin, or you bought 500K. Now your price action is going to move a lot, because Bitcoin is because you bought more than how much Bitcoin is the price. So, but the thing is, there's people that bought 20K Bitcoin. They didn't have to put that much in, so they got in early. That's so this when we're going back to the conversation we had yesterday about currency. So a lot of people aren't they've never been out of the country, so they don't understand how foreign currency works. So this is very different, but the concept is very similar. It's the same math. So let's go to one of the coins that you have. So what's a coin that you have that you want to check out?
Sui is my favorite one so far.
Okay, so I never looked into Sui, so we're gonna go to Sui because I know it's in the top 20 at least. I was right. 19. Yo, man. See, I pay attention to all the coins that people are talking about. If they're not talking about it, it ain't worth it, bruh. So you got a major dip here. So you're at 2.88% for the day, which isn't bad. I've seen worse dips. You're gonna see a lot. You're gonna see like bonk. If you see a we're on market cap. Okay, I like the candles on market cap. They're a little better. So you got some sell signals here. There's a little bit of trading going on. So let's go down. Sui's at $4.16. Do you want to say how much Sui you got?
No, the thing about Sui is you can go to like the year. And one thing you'll know about at least the altcoins, because Bitcoin is going to come back. The altcoins, they're only going to pump like this once we get to the end of the year, the 4-year cycle. And if you look, it's the earlier you get in, it's going to go up more over time. Like if you go to the year, it has a lot of up, like crypto goes up and down, but usually it's going like the top 50 coins are going to go up over time, especially like the top 20.
Okay. Yeah. So let's say I'm new in crypto and I bought some Bitcoin and now I want to touch some altcoins up. So I'm going to go here to the chart, look at the daily. I'm going to go to the 7-day, see what the action is. The monthly. Actually, I'm going to go all the way back. So it's a fairly new coin.
Mm-hmm.
So it looks like it was started at in May of last year. So as we could see a lot of upside. There's not a whole lot of the only sideways action was over here in late 2023. So we could see a lot of selling right here around 24, early 24. And then I mean obviously this is when Bitcoin starts pumping and shit. So you're gonna see a lot of people. So this is a good sign for Sui. It means people are holding it and they're not dumping on you. So that'd be something I invest in. Now we don't know what the all-time high is going to be because this is still a fairly new crypto. It's going to get all-time highs almost every week. So
Yep.
So what I want to look at is how many X's we're gonna hit. So we don't have no historical, so it's gonna be a risky asset. So we want to go here. Oh, did I pass it? God, this is a. I'm usually doing this on my phone because there's a.
Yeah, it's different when you use the apps on a laptop. It gives you way more than
Okay.
your phone.
Okay, so I'm over here. So one Sui is 416.
Hmm.
Now, if I bought 90 Sui, I'd have that means that's how much I have right now. So what's 90? Hold on one second. You know what, let's go here. One Sui. So if we 100x, which is possible. So we're at 416. So it's not much, like it's still pretty cheap. So if you actually put $1,000 in it. Oops, I didn't want to do that. $1,000. What the hell are you doing? There we go. You got 240 Sui, but you have 1,000 invested, so it's changing on me. Hold on, let me go to one of my coins because I'm not familiar the prices because I don't really buy anything that's like over $1. As far as my my altcoins.
Yeah, because weren't you saying before, like the cheaper the altcoin, it's like the more it can actually go up, like the easier it is to get access.
Yeah. I'm gonna go with Ethereum. This is the second alt class, or the second crypto after Bitcoin. So we are 106% down for the day, which is, I mean, it's still a weekend, man. We're gonna see the charts. You're gonna see a little more price action during the week if we're not moving sideways. The markets are closed. Well, I mean, the markets are always open in crypto. It's the stock market, so like people aren't really trading much on the weekends.
And then Bitcoin moves more because they have ETFs and stuff, and you can do options on Bitcoin. Doesn't that reflect on the price too?
Yeah. So I'm gonna have to. It's gonna be easier if I just use my portfolio as a. So Ethereum is. I should have more Ethereum than I have, but I just don't. But I have. So right now I have 2.2 Ethereum, which isn't really a lot, but it comes out to 8,700. So let's say that Ethereum 2x's. That's gonna be. That's gonna put us around 8,000. So a 2x would be another 4. So my portfolio would go up to 16. So that's how you count your X's. Now, the more you buy on one coin, the more X's, or the more your dollars are gonna go up. So like if you bought 0.42 Ethereum, you're not gonna see much price action unless you have like millions of dollars in there. So that's why I went with Gala. Damn, I had a good way to explain this. Let me what the heck?
Also, too, like sometime in the video, we should give some top picks that we would think. I mean, that's stuff that I'm not gonna give financial advice, but if somebody wants to pick some coins, like we could give a couple that we think are gonna do good. Because some people they're not gonna do all the research.
Right. All right. So
But
since
that's
what are you gonna say?
I said because that's what matters the most. Like we're not just invested in these coins for no reason. Like Gala, you heavily researched that and you believe it's gonna pump.
Yeah.
Same thing with Sui. There's a use case behind it. I'm not just investing in random coins because it's popular.
Oh, Gala just hit 59 cents. So I mean not 59, but 0.59. So I just bought 500 worth of Gala. I mean, I don't know if it's going to go any lower than that, but that's usually how I do it. I search for a low that I want, and then I go in on it because I notice that people are holding Gala right now. They're not dumping. Gala is a very stable altcoin, man. Like it's very stable. If you look at the history of Gala, it's moving sideways, and then when it does pump, it's kind of like Ethereum. It really pumps. I mean, obviously they're on the same blockchain, so it makes sense.
Also, too, when investing in crypto, if your coin, like, if it falls, do not panic sell. That's the like one of the worst things you can do. It's gonna come back. I remember I bought Bitcoin last bull cycle at the top 52,000. I bought some at 35,000 and I sold at a loss. If I
Yeah,
would have just held it, look at what it's at now. Like, so if your coin falls, like that's gonna happen investing. It's more than likely it's gonna come back. Like if you're seeing red, you should be buying. You don't want to buy when it's green. The whole name of the game is to buy when it's low and sell when it's high. So if it dips, that's a buying opportunity. That shouldn't be a reason to be scared.
right. People buy on green candles. Like if you're a long-term holder, you don't care. If you have the money, you get it. Like I've been doing that too. I didn't do that my first 3 years in crypto. I do it now. It's like dude, I don't because you don't know if it's gonna go lower. So like if you buy on a green candle and it just keeps pumping, you made a good choice. But like if it goes down, you didn't make. It's not like you made a bad choice. You're holding long term, so you don't
Mhm.
want to do that at the top of the bull market though.
Yeah, you
So
definitely don't. That's how you get pulled. Like,
I mean, we're all everybody is assuming we're at the top. So I mean, we're not at the top yet. So we're not even close. Um,
just looking at past history, like Bitcoin almost follows like cryptocurrency follows a script. And if you look at the script, you can get a good judgment on when you should sell and how long you should hold.
all right. So I'm on Google right now, and this isn't very. This how I want people to look at crypto. All right. So I'm on Google. This isn't going to be super accurate. There's other sources that say that one Philippine peso is 0.2 cents. At 2 cents, but this is saying 0.17. So we're gonna look at 1 peso or $1 is worth 5 pesos, almost 6 pesos. So you know what the upper middle class makes in the Philippines? So it's gonna be
Mhm.
around oh shoot, hold on. 100,000 pesos. So that's the middle class. That's the upper middle class. That's like the lower end of the upper middle class, if you know what I'm saying. So this is how
Damn,
much it is in dollars.
that's
Uh,
crazy.
This is the monthly. So if you make 17,000 a year, I mean a month, you're in the upper middle class in the Philippines. So I make more than that a week. But so that's how crypto is. Oh, check this out. Look at the number. So it's 0.07, right? That's what I was buying Gala at. So Gala at its low, and when I was buying low, that's how much Gala was. Um, I can't remember what I bought. It's not most of my Galas in the 3 cent range. So I bought like 2,000 worth of Gala at the lows because I thought like you got to be careful when you're messing with lows like that. You got to really DCA very slowly, and then when you see upwards action, that's when you want to go heavy in. If you got the capital, don't freaking throw your bags at it. You got to really dollar cost average in it. Um, because you can always sell and then get back in. You just got to eat those damn gas fees. The gas fees are the fees that the exchanges make every time you make a transaction. So it sucks, but like the more transactions you make, the more money you're kind of giving away to the exchange. So I mean, a lot. That's why I try to hold as much as I can.
Also, too, if whatever you're gonna invest, say if it's $100, $1,000, no matter how much you're investing, do not I don't believe it's right to throw the whole thing in at one time. Do it in, like, if you're gonna do $100, do 4 transactions of $25. That's how you get a better average. Because say if you put all your money in at once and it goes down, you're gonna see a hell of a negative. Whereas
That's true.
if you bought some, it went down, you bought some, it went up, you bought some, your average is gonna be better. So if it goes down, your account's not gonna be super red. Because I think that's what a lot of people do. Like they invest, thousands of dollars at one time, and then the coin goes down, just 10%, and man, you lost a lot of money.
Right. Okay, so this is this is one thing I want people to look out for too. So let's get out of here. Let's go back to Coin Market Cap.
Do you be checking out the Bitcoin dominance at all?
Yeah, sometimes.
I just got hip to that.
Dude, man, back when crypto was before the internet started doing all these public fundamental and technical analysis, people had to learn on the fly. So this is the only reason why we're making money right now is because we have people with expert knowledge and experience. So
Yes, honestly, if anyone wants to learn anything about Bitcoin, altcoins, just look it up online. That's how I learned. Literally, I didn't pay any money to learn it. I just watched a lot of videos.
so I bought so I showed you my crypto portfolio. You only saw 4 cryptos on there. You know what I had before that? Like just not even a couple weeks ago, like barely a couple weeks ago. I had like 10 coins. I had Uniswap, I had Polkadot. Yo, tell me why that every time I sold a coin, they all fucking took off. Like,
Yeah.
I wasn't pissed because I didn't put that much in it. So every time I sold, I did sell for profit, but it was more like for $500 of profit. So I didn't want to
Damn.
take too much profit because I threw all those profits back into Gala and Ethereum.
I've
But
noticed too, a lot of the older coins have been pumping. The ones that's been out for a minute, like XRP, wasn't doing nothing. That has shot up. Uniswap, like what was the other one? ADA, that one's popped.
oh, okay. So let me show you. Remember. If I could find it. Okay, so I was in Ren. I didn't do too much research on it because I was gonna get in and get out. So this is where I got in right here. What was
At
it?
the top.
Hold on. No, this was a while ago. So this is where it hit. Okay, so I got in like I got in late November. So I got in while it was at like 4 cents and it popped up. Yeah, it hit about 8 cents. So I don't know what this is. So I remember the price. So it hit about 8 cents and it just like you could see the dip right here. Everybody sold and it went right back to 4 cents the same day. Um so this is what you got to look out for. This is how you can tell if you're going to get rugged or not, or if there's a chance of getting rugged. The market cap's only 46 million. So I mean it's not that it's it's a lot, but it's not really because look, it's the 750th cryptocurrency, so it's very risky. So you want to be careful with that. If you're gonna trade on these coins, you got to get in, get out. Once you get that pump, you get out. And that's what everybody's taught to do, at least the people that's been in a while. So it hasn't been doing anything. Look at the sideways action. So people are invested. So everybody who missed this pump, they're still in. They're waiting for that next pump, and then they're getting back out. That's what you want to stay away from.
Hmm.
Um, That's
The later
very
you get into
yeah, it's
what's
very
up?
stressful, man, because you're just waiting. You're doing the waiting game. You might as well throw your money in Bitcoin because it's always going to go up.
Yeah, that it's the safest. Like if you invest in Bitcoin consistently over a period of time, it's gonna go up. It always goes up. Yeah, it goes down, but then it comes back.
All right, let me go to my favorite coin, Gala. So it's at 0.59. I just bought. Looks like I pumped it up with my $500.
Damn. I didn't know
um,
they had $1 billion market cap.
yeah. I posted about a month ago. It's like, oh, it's coming near. It was like 100. It was like 1.9 million. Not 1.9. Yeah, it was under a million or under a billion.
Yeah.
Damn. People are bullish on it, man. Ever since BlackRock is buying up ETH, and then let me see what these candles look like because we were going on a fifth wave. So if we go to the monthly, oop,
Oh
now,
yeah. Don't you know a little bit about candles on crypto? Like, is if you have, I remember you told me something like if you know it's going up or down.
oh yeah, there's a chance. I can't tell with this chart. Hold on, man. Let me see if this will do this. Oh, it does. You can't. I need to get a. That's well, you can't tell on this chart, but like I know we were all coming off a fourth wave. So this would be considered the fourth wave right here. And typically
Mhm.
the Elliott waves move in 5 waves. So we could see a little bit of resistance right here. Like we are resisting right here on this 6 cent candle right here. So we could see a big dip or we could see another wave up. So it could hit like it could go back to its 63 cent range. So that's why I wanted to target 59 because if it goes below 59, I mean, I'm fine with that. But if it goes above 60, then I just missed that. So, I mean, we could see more dip. That's why I didn't put too much in, at least for me. Like 500 is a lot for people, but uh,
Those
it's
waves you were talking about.
what's that?
When you said something goes in five, all coins go in like a 5 wave thing, because
I
I
can't.
was just researching about that.
Yeah, it's the Elliott waves. There's a whole book on it, man.
What?
I can't really. I kind of messed up my. I'm gonna have to cut this. But yeah, if you look at the candles, like not the other one, but the candles that I was just showing, you can see the wave. So like um it'll go you'll see a lot of sideways action, maybe some selling, and it'll go up, and then it'll go down a little bit, and then it'll go back up past the to where they were selling at, and then it does that 4 times. The fifth time typically happens if people are bullish, but if they're bearish and they uh they start selling for profit, so and it'll come back down. But like
Damn. So if you want to be safe, sell at the 4th wave. Honestly, in this crypto, it's better to be safe than sorry because ain't nothing worse than seeing your money go down to zero. Like it happens quick. It's not like it's slow. Like you showed a chart where it fell off a cliff. And when
yeah,
it's falling like that, it's hard to sell. Like you can't just sell when it's falling like that.
those oh, let me show you another thing that people need to do their research on. So this is a very basic crypto because I'm dude, why is my screen like this, man? So there we go, I got it. Yeah, so like I said, I'm not an expert at this. I just know I'm more risk tolerant and risk averse of certain things. So I'm not gonna I'm not a big believer in like those meme coins like SHIB and like I'll short trade them, but like that's all I'll do. I won't hold it for too long. Even though I know they're gonna get some gains, like um you can get I know Sheep can pump, like Sheep's gonna pump like crazy. Doge, I could see it going past $1.50. So
It's just those you want to be out before the bear market comes because those crash hard, like 90% of value.
Right now, we're just talking about risk management. If it's your first time, if you're even thinking about getting crypto, I don't know. You can tell them what exchange I'm using. Gemini. I did Coinbase. I think Coinbase is pretty good now. Yo, Cash App is doing crypto. I was like, nah, I ain't messing with that.
Yeah, I would go to a very trusted exchange when you're doing because just think this is holding your money. If you're putting thousands of dollars in there, you want to go to exchange that's gonna, be good.
Let's go with Gala again. So if you go to Gala, dang, I should have went to well, we'll just do this. So there's Gala News. So this is how you check. This is how you do your research on this. You go to one of these crypto sites, and you can click on their website. You can there should be a link for their Twitter. There's a website. So there's the socials, X, Facebook. If like I said, if you have a Twitter, that's good. So we're gonna go to the website. Wait, can you see it? Oh,
Mhm.
oh, it linked me. So I'm gonna have to close out again. So this is what the website looks like. Yeah. Dude, hold on. Oh, okay. Yeah, I need to get a monitor. So right now I'm using a TV, which is the worst. So I need to get an actual monitor to make this easier. There we go. So look at the website here. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to show you what not to invest in. So just look how much work they play or put in. Not this. This is an ad. I don't want to play. We'll skip that. We'll try to ignore it because I can't really eggs out of that. So this is what their website looks like. Doesn't that look like they put some work into it?
Yeah, it looks better than some of the websites I've been to.
They got a Discord. That means you can talk to people. Like they put a face there. They got emails. You can email them. Now I haven't tried to email them because I don't really have a reason to. But they got tabs. Like this is basic. This is basic website design. So okay, we're gonna click on this. Look, they even got a login feature. So like, okay, so let's click out of there, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you what a bad one looks like.
Yeah, it's just new. I've never went to these sites like this, so this is definitely new for me.
Yeah, it's how I choose my coins, man. I don't look into look, we only have so much time in a day, man. You can't research every single crypto. So like when I looked at your portfolio, I was like, I mean, it looks pretty decent. I'm not gonna tell you to invest in the same thing I do because I mean we're both gonna see some price action going to the upside. So I mean, I wasn't like I didn't see anything that's too much of a red flag.
Right, and nobody knows which coin is going to pump the hardest. We have no idea which one's going to do that. We don't know how high, none of that.
You know what? I'm gonna try and look for fart coin. Let's see here. Is it? I gotta see this chart. I haven't looked at this. So it's got a. Where the heck? Oh, it's got a almost 300 million.
Yeah, how is that coin doing after that big ass pump?
So it's wow, it's up 52% for the day. So it is definitely farting up. Like, look at this, man. Look at this.
What?
This isn't a. Let's look at.
When did you show it to me?
This was this might be like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Look at this,
and
man.
it went higher than that.
Yo, this is a good ass chart. All right, so
that's crazy.
Jesus. So this is the all time. So we're going all the way back to this coin was established this year. Like, yeah, this is a meme coin. I'd be careful with this coin. I'd be very careful with this, man. Uh, somebody's heavily invested in this, and I don't know, and I'm not afraid to admit it, but I'm not sure where to go to see what the wallets look like. Fart coin, it's time. Yeah, this is a meme coin of all kind of memes. So we're gonna go to a website, see what it looks like. Wow. This looks like a bot
That's the
shit.
website?
Yeah. So this is what I'm talking about.
Oh my god, it looks terrible.
Yeah, it's bad. So I just
Oh man.
you gotta there's services to create a website. I think there's some free services, but for the most part, you gotta pay for those websites. This is bad. Yeah, this is
Yeah,
one of the
very.
coins you get in and get out, and I'm not sure why somebody's heavily invested in it and they're not rug pulling. So,
And
but
the thing
yeah,
is, they got it so low. When they pull, it's gonna have a huge dip.
yeah. I mean, there's so much action though. Like this is like there's no holding. There's just a whole bunch of buying and selling. But yeah, um, I don't know if I covered everything. I went over the currency. Um,
How about if people are looking like besides Bitcoin, because that's like a definite, I feel like you should invest in that. No, it's a safe investment. If you had to
um,
give somebody like the top three coins to invest in, what
depends
would
how
you
much money they got. So if they're starting with 10 grand, like not I wouldn't throw it all in at the same time, but I would stay with Bitcoin. Um, once you see some price action go up, you're like let's say if you bought Bitcoin at 100K, went up to like 120. All right, so we're gonna do the math on this. I don't know, dude. I have a lot of time sitting around. So like say, um, okay, we can work with this. I don't know if I can do it with this converter. We'll just guesstimate. So if you put 10K into Bitcoin right now and it went up to 120, um, damn, I am having a brain fart right now. So you would have it would be a percentage, man. You definitely do a percentage. It's so like you'd be up. Let's just say you'd be up. You take some of the profits out, you could buy a meme coin. Now you can just hold. I would just hold. If I was new, I would just hold. I mean, I can't really. So this is what I did after I lost all my money, I just put all my money in Bitcoin and I just did my research basically. I did a lot of video watching. I did my research and then that's when I started to build a strategy. So I wouldn't it's hard to tell people what to do with their money. But I can tell them for sure is just to do a lot of research. You got to watch a lot of what other people are doing, how much money they're investing, because what they're doing is probably not going to be the same what you're doing. So,
Mm-mm.
um, like I said, I had my money all spread out in like 10 coins, and then I was like, I'm not going to see too many gains from this unless I put it all into 4 coins. Now I've my window's a little bit smaller, so I know I'm gonna double X on Ethereum. Bitcoin is whatever. I'm gonna hold that longer term. Um, Solana, I'm gonna double X from here at least, and then Gala. I got to really watch Gala because I have the most to gain and the most to lose in that coin. So
Mm.
you just
Yeah, I
gotta.
think
It's just a numbers game.
and just knowing when to get out, I think that's the biggest thing. I think the top 50 cryptos are gonna go up, in my opinion, from now and until like what, May or June, because they have an alt season. And once we hit the bear market, everything's going down. You don't want to hold any altcoins. I mean, you want to take your profits. Like if you have profits, don't be scared to take profit. You don't have to take all of it out. If you put in $1,000 and you're up 3,000, take your 1,000 out. And now you're playing with the house's money. You got your money back already. Let the rest ride. See how high it might go. I think take profits along the way, on the way up, because
Yeah.
nothing goes up forever.
Yeah, I'm really that's really all I got for now, man. I should have wrote down a bullet point list, but I think I covered most of it. I mean, it's really I wish there was a chat to ask questions, so I mean that'd be helpful.
Right?
Dude, this is my longest stream. I went for an hour. You know how many watch time I'm gonna get? I'm probably gonna get like 2 minutes of watch time. Well,
Yeah.
maybe I'll watch this back. Did you watch back the pod that we did yesterday?
No, I didn't get a chance. How was
Yeah.
it? Was it cool?
When you do, just like for me, I watch it back just to see what I can improve on and stuff. So I think I've improved a little bit. I just need to get more used to this StreamYard. But yeah.
Yeah, it'll get better with time.
Yep. What time? Oh, it's 8 o'clock, I think. Yeah. Dang, it's past my bedtime.
Yeah, I'm about to smash.
I don't know, man. You got anything else, man?
Not at the moment, man. Not right
Yeah.
now. I guess as the bull market keeps on going, just keep giving updates on what we
Watch
think and
this.
where it's going.
I'm gonna watch this. I'm gonna do something I don't typically okay, I'm gonna give you my prediction for the week. So now I'm just basing this on Bitcoin because Bitcoin, let's see where we're at. I'm gonna have to look at this chart real quick. So we had a big sell off. Why the hell? No, every time we hit 100K, people are just selling. So people are I think newer people are getting in the market, but like right now, let's go to the monthly. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I gotta. It's really gonna be hard to determine this, but I think we're gonna get up to like. I think we're still gonna. I really think we're going sideways for a good week and a half. So it's definitely gonna be fighting the all-time highs, right around 102, 103K. Yeah, I see a lot of sideways action. People don't know what the hell to do. So, but yeah, that's really all I can speculate from the chart. Right.
What time does the weekly candle close? Is it at midnight
Friday, like
on
7:30.
Fridays?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
somewhere around Friday 7:30.
Do you know what it closed at?
Yeah, it was around what it is now. When was Friday? What is Friday? What the date was Friday? The 6th? Yeah, because today's the 7th. Yeah, that's the 6th. So we closed. I can't really see the time, but it was like, yeah, it was around 99. So
Okay.
99,000.
So as long as we keep closing our candles higher, doesn't that
Yeah.
mean it's more likely going to go up?
Yeah, look at where the candle is right here. Well, now right here. Yeah, we pretty much closed on the green candle. So we're still above that line. But yeah, I mean, it's not always the case because I've seen it like dip down. I mean, no matter what we close at, but more than likely it's going to keep moving to the upside or more sideways action unless somebody makes a big sell or a big buy. But yeah. These are all the crypto exchanges that you can find your crypto into. So like if you want to buy like Bonk or something, it's gonna show you the list of exchanges that it's offered on. That's usually how you can tell if you got a good asset to invest in is how many exchanges are willing to put on their platform. Because if there's a meme coin out there just rugging people, they're not going to let you on their exchange. That's how they lose. That's how they lose validity. I can barely say that word.
Like Robinhood and Webull, those are good ones. If they have a crypto on there, more than likely it's a good one.
Oh, I got something to show you before we get out. Hold on.
No.
What up, dog? What up,
Hell no.
dog? Yeah, I put my goggles on. I can see a lot less now. So, oh yeah, I can definitely. Oh yeah, we're shooting. We're gonna hit 200K tomorrow. I can see it now. We're gonna jump all the way out to 200K. You know what's gonna do after that? We're gonna drop back down to 100K because everybody's selling off. That's my prediction. All right, let me get out of here. I'm acting like a clown. All right, man. You got anything you want to say to the people before we get off here?
Not much, really, man. Just do your research on crypto. I feel like if you're not investing in like at least in Bitcoin, in my opinion, you definitely should be because it's technology that is, but we're gonna keep seeing in the future. I wouldn't doubt it.
Yeah.
Like
All right, man.
they speculate within what 8 to 10 years or less that Bitcoin will be at 1 million per Bitcoin. So
Right. Yeah,
that's just
so if
something to think about.
Yeah, you gotta do the math on that. So it's a currency, and you buy now, it goes up. Your money, it goes up. So, but yeah, gonna end the stream. Everybody who made it this far or is just tuning in and out, because I always see like viewers come in for like a second and then they leave. So like it's a work in progress. This isn't typically like I'm always gonna start saying like weaponry fitness or fitness where fitness meets finance. So and then yeah, because I'm gonna make a whole pot on that where fitness and finance does come together. So I'm definitely gonna save that for later. But
Oh,
yeah.
that's pretty dope.
But yeah, I'll let you know when I do that if you want to join in on that. But as of right now, man, I'm gonna get off here, go to my truck, and go to sleep.
All right,
I
man.
gotta get
Enjoy
up
your night.
early. All right, man. Peace out.
All right, so